Ford built Europe's family cars for a generation, then it simply stopped. Ford killed the Fiesta in 2023, and the Focus followed last November with no successor. What replaced them all wears an American name on a German tailgate: the 2026 Explorer. Underneath the paint, it is a Volkswagen. Ford borrowed the entire floor. Except one idea inside that Volkswagen never had. I will come back to it. If it is on your shortlist, subscribe, because the honest answer here is not the obvious one. Ford's own designers were handed a Volkswagen skeleton and told to make it look like Detroit instead. The result is squarer than any of its German cousins. Flat shoulders, an upright nose, a roof that stays level. The badge is doing a lot of work. Because in America, Explorer means a 7-seat SUV from $38,000, 24 miles a gallon. Same name, different car. 5 seats, Europe only. Here is what it asks: 57,000 Swiss francs on this stand, before the rebate. In Britain, it opens near 35,000. Americans get the Mustang Mach-E instead, $37,000, 260 miles. So the bones are borrowed, the name too. The cabin is where Ford stops copying Volkswagen. And it starts here. Every other car on this platform shares Volkswagen's dashboard hardware. Ford threw it out and started from scratch. The grain of the plastics, the light strip across the dash, pale gray over black, all Ford's own. It is a nicer place to sit than the Volkswagen it came from. That was never the plan. Physical buttons still survive on the wheel. That sounds small until you have owned a car without them. And this is the idea Volkswagen never had. The 14.6-inch screen is motorized. It tilts 30 degrees and then it slides. Behind it, where rivals put a slab of trim, Ford hid a locking cubby. The cubby locks itself with the car's doors. So your passport lives there, not the glove box. It is a small, cheap, obvious idea, and not one Volkswagen today offers anything like it. Under the armrest, Ford's mega console swallows 17 liters, a handbag, a laptop, 2 big bottles. That one matters. And then you reach the part of the story where the borrowing costs you something, because a Volkswagen ID.4 sits on this exact same floor. The ID.4 gives you 543 liters of boot. The Explorer gives 450 liters. 90 liters lost to the sloping tailgate. A cabin bag's worth gone. And rear legroom is tight for the class. So here is what this car actually proves. The badge on the tailgate is no longer the place where the engineering lives. Europe's next decade of family cars gets built like this. One floor, many badges, the brand is whatever sits on top. Ford's Capri plays the same trick. That's next.